slightly open, let the cold air fill the room. Every memory kept moving like a shadow passing through. I was holding on to moments that were never meant to stay, trying to keep the colors from the picture fading gray. I don't know where the road ends, I don't know what waits ahead, but I feel a different heartbeat from the life I used to dread. I'm falling through the silver rain, learning how to breathe again. Every drop becomes a doorway, every scar becomes a name. I was searching for a reason, I was reaching through the dark. Now I know the smallest moments can ignite a hidden spark. I remember all the silence, all the words I couldn't say, all the nights I felt invisible, waiting for another day. Now the mirror looks different, now the past feels far away. I can finally see the person that survived along the way. I don't need to hold the pieces like they prove what I became. I can let the river carry everything I couldn't change. I'm falling through the silver rain, learning how to breathe again. Every drop becomes a doorway, every scar becomes a name. I was searching for a reason, I was reaching through the dark. Now I know the smallest moments can ignite a hidden spark. Maybe I was never broken, maybe I was being shaped. Every storm that came against me left another kind of strength. Maybe all the lost directions were just paths I had to find, leading me into the person waiting somewhere deep inside. I'm falling through the silver rain, learning how to breathe again. Every drop becomes a doorway, every scar becomes a name. I was searching for a reason, searching for a reason. I was reaching through the dark, I was reaching through the dark. Now I know the smallest moments can ignite a hidden spark. The room is getting brighter, the air is changing too, and everything I carried is becoming something new.